Welcome, Universiti Utara, Malaysia School of Computing students. In the digital era, algorithms and data dictates an organization's public image just as much as traditional marketing. Traditional media relied on one-way broadcasts from a company to the public. Now, platforms allow users to actively build or dismantle an organization's reputation through comments, reviews, and continuous sharing. The stakes are immediate. A positive online presence generates a barrier of essential trust and competitive advantage. Conversely, a single negative incident can replicate through these networks like a virus, damaging a reputation in hours. To a computer scientist, an organizational image is a live dataset that must be measured, computed, and managed. This grid displays the 8 core variables we track in this digital ecosystem, ranging from consumer information down to brand equity. We map these concepts into a standard computing framework. Consumer information serves as the raw data input. Image development acts as the central processing algorithm. Brand image becomes the final output metric. Managing these variables through data science is the core work of social media image management. Let's focus on that output metric, brand image. This encompasses the complete collection of consumer perceptions, feelings, and associations. The engineering challenge is finding a way to accurately measure human emotion. This processing unit shows the solution. We use natural language processing, specifically sentiment analysis. It takes a chaotic stream of unstructured user-generated text and algorithmically categorizes it into hard, measurable data points. When companies like Apple, Nike, and Starbucks process these sentiment metrics, they gain visibility into their customer trust. A high ratio of positive sentiment correlates with increased customer loyalty and tangible business growth. Sentiment analysis allows us to translate subjective human emotion directly into actionable corporate strategy. Before we can analyze sentiment, we need raw material. Consumer information encompasses the behavioral data, interactions, and opinions collected continuously across platforms like Facebook, TikTok, X, and LinkedIn. Look at how this machine learning processor handles the intake. It parses the noise into 2 distinct streams: quantitative metrics like engagement rates, and categorical segments that group users by their demographics, behaviors, and psychographics. By analyzing these specific user clusters, recommendation algorithms at companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify can accurately map out a user's future purchasing and viewing intentions. Let's test this logic. Pause the video for a moment. If UAM students were repeatedly complaining about campus bus schedules on Twitter, which machine learning segmentation characteristic, demographic, behavioral, or psychographic, would be the most useful to categorize them? Machine learning acts as the filter that extracts predictive value from raw consumer noise. Once we have processed our data, we apply it through image development. This chart displays the process as a continuous 5-stage loop designed to build trust and strengthen stakeholder relationships. We map our computing technologies directly to these stages. Notice how our sentiment analysis metrics plug into the assessment and performance evaluation phases to grade an organization's current standing. For the audience engagement stage, we deploy social network analysis. This maps out community structures so we can precisely identify the key opinion leaders and influencers who drive the conversation within a specific network. Universiti Utara, Malaysia applies these platforms to promote academic achievements, highlight student engagement, and strengthen its institutional reputation. Image development functions as a continuous algorithmic optimization loop. This pipeline shows the complete architecture. Raw consumer information flows in as foundational data. We run it through analytics like NLP and social network analysis. Those insights direct our image development actions, which output a positive brand image. Broad marketing outcomes rely completely on the stability of this underlying, data-driven architecture. By mastering these analytical tools, you provide the critical insights that allow an organization to secure its reputation and compete in a digital landscape. Thank you for your time. Social media image management is a data engineering challenge solved by computer science.